100 English words that start with L. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Let's begin, Myra.
Wait, is it L Day already?
You bet. Today we're learning 100 English words that start with the letter L.
L is for learn, love, and listen.
So, listen closely and speak with us.
Repeat every word and grow your vocabulary.
Let's level up your English. Starting now.
Listen and repeat.
Label,
Label,
lab,
lab,
lack,
lack,
ladder,
ladder,
lady,
lady,
lake,
lake,
lamp,
lamp,
land,
land,
language,
language,
large.
large. You're doing so well already.
Let's learn some more. Last,
Last,
late,
late,
laugh,
laugh,
launch,
launch,
law,
wa,
lawyer,
lawyer,
lay,
lay,
lazy,
lazy,
lead,
lead,
leader.
leader.
Great job so far.
Speak with us. Don't hold back.
League,
League,
learn,
learn,
leave,
leave,
lecture,
lecture,
left,
left,
leg,
leg,
legal,
legal,
lemon,
lemon,
length,
length,
lesson.
lesson.
We're halfway now.
Let's keep going strong.
Letter,
Letter,
level,
level,
library,
library,
license,
license,
life,
life,
lift,
lift,
light,
light,
like,
like,
line,
line,
link,
link.
doing amazing, superstar,
Say it with us. You're learning fast.
lion,
Lion,
lip,
lip,
liquid,
liquid,
list,
list.
listen,
Listen,
little,
little,
live,
live,
load,
load,
local,
local,
lock.
lock.
Almost there, baby.
Let's finish strong.
Lonely,
Lonely,
long,
long,
look,
look,
loop,
loop,
lose,
lose,
loss,
loss,
lost,
lost,
lot,
lot,
loud,
loud,
love.
love.
Last 10. Let's go.
Say them with energy.
Lovely,
Lovely,
low,
low,
luck,
luck,
lucky,
lucky,
lunch,
lunch,
lung,
lung,
luxury,
luxury,
lyrics,
lyrics,
labeled,
labeled,
landscape.
landscape. And there we go, 100 L words.
You've learned so much today,
Keep speaking and repeating.
and you'll grow better every day.
Subscribe to English Podcast.
For more amazing vocabulary practice.
You're learning with love.
And we're proud to be part of your journey.